Getting rich is actually a step-by-step process. If you want to get rich, you will have to take the accurate steps. It's logicless if you just demand riches today and think that someone will keep it in your feet the next day. You'll have to work for it. However, the steps of getting rich is very simple, and in this video, we will be talking about the 10 steps that will make you rich. Keep watching the video till the end because all the steps are important for you to know. Now let's start. 1. Outwork the competition in terms of both effort and efficiency. Focus on efficiency first. If your extra time at work does not translate into more money, you are squandering your time. Selling ice cream cones outdoors in the middle of winter is illogical. Instead, set up shop in the park during the scorching summer. Modifying only a few things in a rational way might have a huge impact on your productivity. Put in more work than most people would. Everyone in the workplace has seen the one worker who always goes above and beyond. Maybe they're a little too bookish or focused on their profession, but are they really so weird? They might have a point. After all, they do get raises now and again, right? Don't they become the focal point of the workplace? Try not to be intimidated by hard work. Helping them and your supervisor will give you a sense of satisfaction in your work. 2. Put money aside early on and plan for your financial future. The question, how much do I need to invest to become a millionaire, may cross your mind. Permit us to address your inquiry. The path to material prosperity is far from smooth. Instead, you'll need to put in work and stay focused on your goals. First, you need to determine how much you value financial security. Setting financial objectives is the next stage. Take advantage of any work-related perks that are available to you. Make the most of your 401k retirement plan. If your company offers a matching contribution up to a certain percentage, you should do everything you can to give at least that much. You should consider opening a Roth IRA in addition to your 401k or other employer-sponsored plan if your salary qualifies you to do so. While you'll have to pay taxes when you withdraw money from your Roth IRA, the contributions themselves are paid after tax. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button to know more amazing financial secrets. 3. Principle of frugality. In order to avoid financial hardship, you need to change your spending habits. Extreme riches usually doesn't arrive soon. Therefore, it is quite improbable that using lottery can help you become financially independent and significantly boost your income flow. Taking your time is often cited as the key to financial success. Make an effort to stick to your budget and minimize unnecessary spending. To get started, just maintain a monthly record of everything you buy. Maintaining a budget includes recording all monetary purchases and withdrawals. Keep every single receipt you get. You can use many financial apps to manage your budget and finances more accurately. 4. Obtain money from various sources. The key to financial success is passive income. Numerous affluent individuals rely on passive income sources, which may take numerous forms. This kind of income, which does not need any effort on your part, includes compound interest and dividends. Real estate investing and stock portfolio ownership are two more examples of passive income. This form of income is subject to stringent IRS rules, therefore it may be best to contact a professional when calculating deductions and taxable income. The compound interest calculation considers both your initial investment and your prospective rate of return. You may estimate how much your money will increase by using the compound interest formula. One way to help you become rich is via passive income like this. 5. Pay off your debts. If you want to get wealthy more quickly, you should pay off your debts. The cost of debt is high. It also affects your financial standing. If you have $1 million in assets and $700,000 in debt, your net worth is $300,000. Let's take a look at what debt means for your cash flow. A property costing $330,000 would need a $300,000 loan with a down payment of $30,000. At a period of 30 years and an annual interest rate of 3.8%, considered moderate, the total interest paid would be $203,233.94. A percentage increase in the interest rate might add tens of thousands to your total. You may pay off your mortgage sooner if you pay more each month. It's rewarding to have full ownership of anything, and it may also help you save money by eliminating interest payments. 6. Consider your own personal risk tolerance while making investments. It's common knowledge at this point that get-rich-quick schemes are nothing more than a time waste. Learn basic financial concepts instead. If you can find out the secret to long-term prosperity, it may be a worthwhile goal. The study of finance starts with calculating how much you stand to lose in order to gauge your level of comfort with risk. The wealthy understand the importance of spreading their investments out. To achieve this goal, it is necessary to diversify investment holdings. In order to protect their wealth, the wealthy diversify their holdings among many accounts, such as individual retirement accounts, 401(k)s, brokerage accounts, and 529 college savings plans. 7. Automating your monthly savings. You need to make saving money a habit if you ever want to be financially secure. Make a monthly investment in yourself before making any other purchases. Saving money automatically is a great way to improve your financial situation. Plan to invest or save a certain percentage of your monthly paycheck on the first of every month. Without your active involvement in financial management, you may use automatic savings and investment plans. Those may be helpful. 8. Consult a financial professional. If you need help getting your financial house in order, a financial advisor may be the person to call. To help you reach your financial goals, these professionals can advise you on the best investments to make. Finding the right financial advisor for your needs requires conducting several meetings with many applicants. Choose someone who can be trusted to function in a fiduciary role. They have an obligation to put your needs above their own or the needs of their employers at all times. 9. Create a brand new thing that you will enjoy. It doesn't matter how many books you study on the subject of discovering what your customers want, by the time you provide the goods, they'll be sick of it. If you're an entrepreneur, you should focus your efforts on projects that excite you. Creating something that you would use and enjoy increases the likelihood that others would as well. Millionaires know that sometimes the finest ideas come from a genuine desire to make the world a better place. 10. Count your errors and correct them. Mistakes are inevitable. Both you and I are guilty of this. And believe me, I have made some very terrible errors. If you knew you were going to lose $8,000 on an internet business, would you risk it? This is just one example of the many investing blunders I've made. Accepting one's own fallibility is challenging. That's all for this video. Now you know all the steps to get rich. Write down all the steps in your copy. And then, start following them from tomorrow. All the millionaires accumulated their riches by following these steps only. If you also want to be like them, then start following these steps. Press the subscribe button if you want to know the best tips to earn money and get rich. Press the like button also. It motivates us to make mind-blowing financial videos. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions for us. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Thanks for watching the video here.